Today we are going to make fruit compote. I call it grandma's tiger fruit. It's because one of the main ingredients that I use are prunes. Half a cup of orange juice, so that's about a half of this. I've already turned my stove on low because I'm gonna cook it for about 6 minutes on low, and then I will turn it up. The 16-ounce can, I'm gonna use about 12 ounces of it, and these are my dried prunes. And I was really amazed. I served this at a party. Can you believe that? I served it at a party and it went over like ice cream and cake. Water. Another ingredient that I will use are fresh oranges. I'm gonna cut up these segments of fresh orange, and I want the flesh part of the orange to be seen when I cut it up in segments. The orange, and I have these dark prunes, and that's why I call it a tiger. It's like orange and the dark prunes. Sliced one orange, 2 tablespoons of raw honey. And you don't have to add honey because it's sweet enough from the prunes particularly. So I'm gonna turn it up. I've got it on low. Sometimes I put everything in the pot. Sometimes I don't put the oranges in. I put those in later because the oranges can sometimes get mushy. And I'm going to also add, you can use 1 or 2 fresh cinnamon sticks and cook it up. That really adds a nice twist to it. So here I have it in the pot. It's boiling. Boil a little bit, then I'm gonna turn the heat down to low, let it simmer for about 5 minutes or so until I see it really thicken like a syrup or the consistency of almost a honey. And then I've turned it down, kind of stirred it a little bit, and it's already made its syrup. You want to cook it longer if you want a thicker syrup, but this is fine the way it is. And we're just going to put that in because this is going to be a part of my dinner. Peaches and the orange and those cinnamon sticks, those fresh cinnamon sticks and the honey, it mellows it out. So you don't taste just prunes, it mellows it out. I decorate it with the cinnamon sticks. I know we don't eat the cinnamon sticks, but I kind of just decorate it with the cinnamon sticks. And if you want, you can put a fresh orange slice right there, and that makes it look really nice. So that's our Grandma Tiger's fruit. And you definitely want that. That's a good way to help you to eliminate. I mean, it comes together and it's a nice thick syrup. And again, if you don't like the taste of prunes, it kind of mellows it out with the other fruits that cook with it. This is very good. Magnificent. I even served this at a party. You think I'm crazy, don't you? But I did. And they ate it. And they kept wanting more. Like many of other people have problems with digestion those beans, try 2 stalks of fresh celery. Chop it up, put it in with those beans, and it may make a difference for you. Just try it. We promote good living in DasCafe, and there's a message for you, so stay tuned for that. And I'm gone, I'm out, but I want to see you next show. I'm Das, and thanks for joining me.